And welcome back. It's an event that's happening today and one you can probably smell from miles away. It's the third annual Rib Fest, and joining us from that event is Nancy Newt-Schmelzer. Good morning, Nancy.
Good morning, Michael.
So tell me a little bit about Rib Fest.
Rib Fest is being held today on our lake lawn, complete with tiki bar. We'll have competitors cooking ribs for judging. Best man wins.
So how many people will be taking part in it?
I believe we have 10 to 11 competitors now.
And how did people sign up, or how did they even get involved?
We put the word out. We also have a gigantic chili cook-off, offer it to those competitors as well to come in and compete.
So this is the third annual, so how has it been, you know, in the past 3 years? What can people expect?
They can expect great weather, a spectacular view of Madison's Capitol skyline. It's being held on our lake lawn, complete with tiki bar. The funktacular band VO5 is performing.
So tell me a little bit about the times, because I believe it starts early, and we all know that ribs take a long time to cook.
They do. Our competitors will be in at 6 a.m. to start cooking. Doors open at 11, with the meal being served at 1.
So when you say the meal is being served,
we're offering a rib dinner, complete with sides, and admission to the band VO5 for only $14.
Wow. And now, how do you, is it a winning thing? I know Charlie will be taking part as a judge,
Yes.
So how does that sort of work?
Judges pick their favorite, and the crowd also picks theirs.
And this is the third year, so how has it been in the past other years?
It's been great and growing ever since. We're lucky, have great weather, a little cool, bring a sweatshirt, but it's a great time.
How many slabs is this? I mean, how much food is out there?
Obviously, a ginormous amount of ribs. Competitors all are given the same type of ribs, all purchased from the same place, so that it's fair. No pre-seasoning, pre-cooking, nothing. They're brought in, they prepare them on site. You can purchase rib samplers, but there's a limited amount, obviously, if you want to test the contestants' ribs.
All right, so give me the time one more time.
Doors open at 11, with the rib dinner being served at 1, and the super funktacular VO5 performing between 1 and 5.
All right, and all that information is on our homepage under news links. Nancy Newt-Schmelzer, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you, Michael.
All
Pleasure.
right, we'll be right back.